predicated on some sort of mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists and other minds cease to exist, which is one of the flaws of solipsism. But then you have epistemological solipsism, which states that I cannot prove that other minds exist. Then you have the metaphysical solipsism, which states that I cannot prove with absolute certainty that other minds exist. Right? During manic episode, bipolar cases tend to adapt or integrate a sort of solipsistic sort of ideology, where their perception of reality become a sort of figment of their imagination, sort of predicated on the merits of the Alice in Wonderland syndrome, where she tumbled down this rabbit hole and she went into La La Land. But their philosophical ideology is not so much solipsistic, because solipsistic is this somewhat an unfinished philosophy or a flawed philosophy, because it's a sort of selfish ideology where other minds don't exist. But when you take into account ideas like intersubjectivity phenomenology, where we're looking at minds as a collective group, or we're looking at collective consciousness, how do you